Alright guys, so we are back at it today. I've got the self-tapping screw that's actually going to go into the radiator shroud right now. Before I do that though, here is the upper radiator hose that is going to replace the old one that we see right here. This is the nipple that broke off, which is inside of this hose here. Again, this hose is flexible, so it's good. I'm getting ready to pop this clip off right now. This is a one-time use clamp. And then here's the set of adjustable clamps that I've already had. I've had these for some time, but these are the adjustable ones. Once I pop that off, I'm going to pull that old extended piece here, the little tip, and then we should be good to go once I put the tighten the clamp down around that. I'm not going to do all of that until we get this hose on and replaced. So it's getting ready to get a little messy. I've got the bucket under there. I've already got some absorbent that is down on the ground. I'll put a little bit more so it doesn't run everywhere. So let me do that now. This part requires patience, and I've walked this back to where it is now disconnected. And like I said, this side comes off pretty easy because we just had it off. And then we're just pretty much going in reverse of what we just did. Put this one on. Alright guys, so everything is put back together. Alright, we're going to slide, actually I need to slide these into place, into their little clips, if you can see that. Alright, that one's in, so you can zoom, can you see that? Clip there, so just going to clip these in their respective places. I just rinsed the car, rinsed everything down with distilled water, so that's what you see. Now, just to rinse off the coolant that spilled. Yeah, probably a little bit down rinse there too. And get ready to fill this thing up. Get it buttoned back up.